This video focuses on the troubleshooting guide for the E1 problem of the top-load washing machine. Cause summary. E1 alarm. Water drain timeout alarm. It means that the washing machine does not drain out the water in the drum within the programmed time. The reason for this problem are: 1. The drain pipe is not flat on the ground. 2. The drain pipe is blocked. Solution. First, check whether the drain pipe is placed horizontally on the ground. Take it down and place it horizontally on the ground. Then check whether the drain pipe is blocked. If it is blocked, clean it. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, please contact our higher customer service